it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share the December block from my Quilting Life block of the month. I know it's just November, but I wanted to be sure and get all of the blocks released this month in November so you can get caught up with sewing. And then the first week of December, I'll be sharing the finishing instructions for this quilt. So let's get started, and I'll show you a few things about the December block. Okay, this December block was a lot of fun to make. You will be making 8 half square triangles, 2 for each of the outer sides. And for the small 6-inch block, I did use triangle paper to make these. It just saved quite a bit of time, and I was able to just use scraps. But for my bigger block, I just made them the traditional way. And then you're going to be making 4 patches and then a 16 patch for the center. So I kind of experimented with these 2 blocks. And for my large block, I did the same exact color layout as you will find in your PDF pattern. So I just did the 2 colors for all of the patchwork in the block and followed that exactly. But for my small block, I went with 2 different colors for the 4 outer 4 patches, but then for the 16 patch, I just kind of changed things up and I made it really scrappy. I just wanted to see if it would be too busy or not, and I think for this it actually worked. I don't know if I would do that for the large block, but maybe it would be okay too. Also, what I did with the small block, since I did make that section a little bit busier, was I did use a solid background for the half square triangles. And then with the larger block, I felt like I could go with more of a print in there. But this is a really fun block to play around with. I feel like it would also make a fun quilt just out of 12 of these blocks or 16 of these blocks. So it was a really fun block to make, and I hope that you'll enjoy making it. Okay, so that's it for the December block. I hope you enjoy making this month's block. It's really a fun one. It's probably a little bit more time consuming, but I'm giving it to you early, and so you'll have plenty of time to get it done. Remember that next month I will be giving you the finishing instructions for all 3 sizes of quilts. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.